Inside this converted brownstone in Chicago's Lincoln Park neighborhood lies one of the city's greatest culinary treasures, Alinea.
Alinea means the beginning of a new train of thought. You know, we serve very modern, progressive cuisine, anywhere from 12 to 24 courses long. So it's really, it goes beyond dinner and goes beyond food. It becomes an experience. It's theatrical, it's emotional. It really takes you on a journey. It becomes entertainment.
The hot potato, cold potato, complete with truffle on top, is a must-have.
And it's slurped back like an oyster.
One of my favorite sweet courses, the licorice cake. It may look like a piece of abstract art, but trust me, it's heaven on a stick.
You either fall on one side or the other. You feel that cooking can be an art or a craft. And I think what we've tried to prove here at this restaurant is that it's very much an art.
Alinea is also a great place to take a date, but plan ahead.
It's an intimate experience to eat here.
Translation: space is limited. Reserve early, you won't regret it.